Welcome, today we're reviewing Samsung Galaxy A Tab 7 Lite, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So now we can see that the Discover is activated, and if you want to turn it off, just pinch on your device home screen, and here you will see the Google Discover or Samsung Free. Just to turn off this option, click once on the switcher. Now we can see when we swipe with our finger to the right side, this just option successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on by the same way, slide here to the left side, click on the switcher to turn it on, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.